My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam and misleading pop-ups that are related to the site antivirusstability.com. Antivirusstability.com is yet another deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The pop-up displays pretty frustrating and misleading messages, claiming that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. But the truth is that such pop-ups may also attack other computers in other locations, but they all claim that the PC is infected with 5 viruses. So it cannot be true that various computers all over the world are infected with the same number of viruses. Obviously, these pop-ups are faulty and very misleading. Don't you ever interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. They would also possibly redirect you to some other shady pages. I would recommend that you thoroughly research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.